beautiful. That's done. Preparing to go into the oven, but before that I'm gonna just sprinkle some of these Italian herbs. Alright, and this of course a bit of a salt and olive oil, and yes, I'm gonna give a bit of a bite. If you are a fan of chili like me, go ahead. More. That's all right. Isn't it cute? Very nice and colorful. And to complete this, I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this mozzarella. Alright, ready to go into the oven for about 20 minutes or so. That is nice. Look at that. Give that a try. Easy to make. Hi everyone, today we are going to make stuffed chicken breast. All we need are, I got red chilies here, seeded and sliced, and I got 1 zucchini, 2 pieces of chicken breast, mozzarella, salt, pepper, Italian herbs, olive oil, red onion, and yes, now let's get started. Just gonna grab my zucchini and I'm just gonna slice it like this into thinly sliced. Alright, next, get this chicken breast and then just pat it to dry. Alright. This time I'm just gonna give a bit of pierce there. Don't slice all the way through, just like that. See? Just repeat until you finish. Just be careful, the knife is sharp. We don't want to hurt our hand. This is easy to make. And yes, I'll just do the same with this other one. This is a big breast. I think this is large. Alright, that's done, and then let's move to our next step to do. As you can see, I have here this salt. I just gonna combine, and this black ground pepper, and just give it a mix. Next, a bit of this Italian herbs, and this olive oil. I use olive oil. You can use any oil you want. I just leave some for later. And yeah, give it a good stir. Right. Next is red onion. Just slice into thinly sliced. Yes, and that is done. Just gonna move this chicken with this. And yes, preheat your oven around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna cook this for about 40 minutes. But before that, I'm gonna season this. Just spread all over.
Choose one for the final check. Set A or set B. Joe, you have selected set A. Set A. Thank you very much. That is, of course, the least gets.
Alright. And there we go. And I'm just gonna put this onion and with this, I just gonna put it smaller than that. Half of this zucchini and this chili with assorted colors, green, red. Just repeat until you finish. This is fun. I thought so. And yes, tomato as well. This is really fun to make. Beautiful. That's done. Preparing to go into the oven, but before that I'm gonna just sprinkle some of these Italian herbs. Alright, and this of course a bit of a salt and olive oil, and yes, I'm gonna give a bit of a bite. If you are a fan of chili like me, go ahead. More. That's alright. Isn't it cute? Very nice and colorful. And to complete this, I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this mozzarella. Alright, ready to go into the oven for about 20 minutes or so. After 40 minutes, it's now done. It's nice. And look at that. Ready to serve. That is nice. Look at that. Give that a try. Easy